Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to claim your Sainsbury custom insurance. Okay, so the claiming method is very easy. You need to call at their customer support team. You can see this is the official website and Sainsbury Bank. Okay, and you can see over here there is an insurance customer support number, and you need to dial this number. Okay, and once you dial this number you need to tell them that you wish to claim your insurance. Okay, and make sure you are dialing this number only on using this time frame, like Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday, and on Saturday you need to dial this number 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. only. Okay, and calls may be recorded, so you need to provide your insurance number, date and time of the incident, and what happened, the damage, what are the damage of building your content, or a police incident number or reference if you have any. Okay, so if when you provide these kind of information, you can say claim your insurance. Okay, they will guide you each and everything. And if you want to cancel your insurance, then the cancellation is also important, and cancellation is also, you can easy. You just need to simply call on this number you can also see, on this page the number is also available. You can dial this number also, and that's it. Okay, so my dear friends, by using this method you can easily claim and cancel your Sainsbury insurance policy. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.